snacks for my friends. If I see them, they're going to be very disappointed. I think I can see my girlfriend up ahead. I'll just have to wait till lunchtime to get their snacks. It is a beautiful sunny day. Girlfriend doing this thing. I've remembered to put my walking app on. Oh, my girlfriend's got a swagger on today. Now I understand. Someone dropped their lunch. My girlfriend said that will be mine. So I ordered microphone, wireless microphone, and selfie stick. The gimlet dupe. And all going well. That will come later today. So I'll be able to test it out tomorrow. My goal was, once I had posted on YouTube for a month, then I would only then would I buy anything for YouTube. Enjoy the artistic view. Remember to put my app on pause. So yeah, I'm excited for the headphones, not the headphones, the mic and selfie stick. I've been noticing the quality of sound could be better. I've got my wireless headphones in. They're okay, but again, could be better. So fingers crossed, the microphone has been ordered, will be good. We'll find out tomorrow either way. Had good reviews on Amazon, though it doesn't necessarily mean anything. You can buy fake reviews nowadays. So fingers crossed they're not fake. And